Do you often feel tired, bloated, or sluggish for no clear reason? It might not be your mood, it might be your liver. In this video, you'll discover 6 incredibly simple homemade drinks that can naturally cleanse your liver, flush out toxins, and restore your energy, without spending a single rupee on fancy detox products. Welcome to Mind and Body Horizon, your trusted space for natural health and wellness tips. If you're passionate about feeling better the natural way, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for weekly remedies that truly work. Your liver is like your body's personal filter. It processes everything you eat, drink, and even breathe. But when it's overloaded with unhealthy food, pollution, stress, or medications, it can't function at its best. That's when you start feeling fatigued, bloated, and even notice skin issues or weight gain. The good news? With just a few sips a day, you can support and refresh your liver naturally. Let's dive in. Number 1, lemon water, the morning cleanser. Starting your day with this drink wakes up your liver instantly. It helps stimulate bile production, flushes out toxins, and boosts your metabolism. Over time, it can even improve digestion and give your skin a fresh, natural glow. Number 2, turmeric tea, the anti-inflammatory healer. This golden drink is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It protects your liver from damage, boosts its ability to regenerate, and supports your immune system. If your liver's been under stress, this is like giving it a warm, healing hug. Number 3, mint and cucumber. Water, the cooling detoxifier. This cool, refreshing drink doesn't just hydrate, it helps flush out toxins from your liver and kidneys. It can reduce bloating, improve skin clarity, and keep your system feeling light and clean, especially during hot or stressful days. Number 4, green tea with ginger, the antioxidant booster. This drink is loaded with antioxidants that neutralize harmful toxins in your body. It enhances liver function, reduces fat buildup, and supports better digestion, all while giving your energy levels a healthy lift. Number 5, beetroot and carrot juice, the liver repair tonic. Rich in natural compounds that support detox and liver regeneration, this drink acts like a cleaning crew for your liver. It purifies the blood, improves liver cell repair, and even boosts skin radiance and stamina. Finally, amla juice, the Ayurvedic powerhouse. Used in Ayurveda for centuries, this potent drink boosts liver detox, reduces inflammation, and strengthens your body's defense system. It's especially beneficial for people dealing with fatigue, sluggish digestion, or frequent colds. Now let's see some liver support tips that work wonders. These drinks work best when combined with good habits. Drink plenty of water every day. Cut down on alcohol and junk food. Get moving. Even 20 minutes of walking boosts liver activity. And try deep breathing to help your body relax and detox naturally. Your liver works silently 24/7 to keep you healthy. Isn't it time you gave it something back? These 6 homemade drinks can gently support, cleanse, and energize your liver. And you'll feel the difference in your skin, your energy, and your mood. Which of these drinks are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Your support helps us keep spreading wellness, one video at a time. Until next time, stay healthy, stay natural.